Hello guys, meron ako ditong dalawang custom Victorinox na parehong merong titanium scales and topographic map engraved. This one is a Rambler, so meron siyang scissors na napaka-useful, and the nail file with small flathead screwdriver, and the knife, and the combi tool, combination of Phillips and bottle opener, exposed brass pins and cross logo cutout, titanium liner. Same with this one, exposed brass pin, cross logo cutout. This one is Victorinox Recruit. Meron siyang can opener with small flathead screwdriver and bottle opener with a big flathead screwdriver. Small blade. This is the backup one. And of course, hindi mawawala yung main blade. Napakaganda nito mga to sa personal. So, you guys let me know in the comments if you would carry these custom Victorinox. And as always, make each day a meaningful day.